Okay, I have 27% left, so I'm gonna have to switch the battery out soon. Camera here. Now I painted this over the summer, so I'm gonna have to sand this inside, and then we'll run through the parts. Now here's your rear end. It doesn't matter which way you flip it, but it's only gonna go in there one way because of these flat spots right there. But once you find it, no hammering. If you got a hammer, you got it in there wrong. It'll just right in. So nice. Alright, got that sand out. So it's nice and shiny now, it's not blue. That should slip on there. You might have to use a rubber mallet, which I don't have one. Alright, so we want to go, remember, ears up. Alright, so rubber mallet is definitely in. It's going to take some beating. Almost got this one in, then you just turn it. It's going to be a little rough. There we go. Alright, so you can see I got one in. It's in the groove, just like this. Now they're gonna be tough. I mean, I didn't wire brush the bolts down. I got a nut starter on this one. Eventually I'll put it, get this one through on here, squeeze it together, and it's in. I mean, that's the main rear end. And then it's just putting your essentials on. Using my rigid impact. Like I said, I'm just going to go a little bit at a time. A little bit down here. A little bit up here. Down here. Well, there it is. Now, now when you do the bearings, obviously you'll have the bearings out. You got this center race that runs in the middle of the rear end. So, same thing. I mean, obviously you wouldn't take this out if you were just doing that. This would stay. Pop your bearing out. Pop your bearing out. Slide out your inner race, you know, inspect that, and then you put your new bearings in, and then it's just straight to the axle instead of messing with all this and the nuts. And but she's in there, so now we'll do the exciting other stuff. See how this is smooth, and this has a lip. That means this bad boy only slides in one way. Alright, so now what we gotta do slide this rotor on. And this, I'm sorry, not rotor, sprocket. I had my head somewhere else. Now look at this. You got part of it has this lip here with this that sticks out, and this other side's just a straight out. Now this side with the lip on it is going to go in your bearing, and that's how that sits. So that being said, since we have to slip the lip side in like this, that the other side that's flat, it's a little bigger, so it kind of sits up flush with this. So you got lip here. Careful. I'm sliding it on. Bearing side. This is going to go in the bearing. So in other words, your nuts will face outside towards the tire. It's going to slip over the first gear. It's not going to work. It's not made for that. And don't just get it down there and start pounding it. There. So, I got it in there. Now it's nice. Look at that. No shaking. No shaking. Oh. You have your rotor. Again, same concept. You have your smooth side. Then you have your lip. This goes in the bearing. I'm going to clean this up first because this was rusted. Got all that nice. Take this lip side in. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Find your teeth. Move it around until you can feel it. You don't want to damage anything else. I can actually probably get the nut and start the nut on here, and the nut will push it in there. Sorry. One of them has this S screw. Both. This would be your outside one, obviously, because this would be the one to keep the one from backing in. So, put them on. They're gonna go bleep. Okay. They're not gonna go nut to nut. They're not gonna go outside like that. Inner to inner. So we start with the one without the set screws in it. Yeah. Down there, nice and easy. So you got your nut here. Okay. Boop. Nut side out. This is the second nut. Slide that into here. You got your first nut. You got your second one. This is just snugged enough that the rear end spins when you tighten it. So now we'll get this in here.